guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we will check my albino full red breeding. This is the tank of my albino full red breeding. So this tank is a 10-gallon tank, and this is where I breed my albino full red. As you will see here, there are 3 females and 2 males albino full red. So that is the mating behavior of the guppies. So hopefully 2 to 3 weeks these female guppies will be pregnant, and soon we will have a new batch of guppy fry. I only put aquatic plants, and these aquatic plants is a good hiding spot for the guppy fry. This aquatic plant is called water lettuce, and this water lettuce will become bigger. Okay, so they are, for now they are dwarf because they are not exposed to sunlight, so they become dwarf. When this water lettuce is exposed to sunlight, they will become bigger, and you will call it giant water lettuce. So let's remove this. So this is the seeds of the Indian almond. So because the Indian almond is just near, so the seeds. These are my albino full red, female albino full reds, and these females are still virgin. So I will get some guppy grass because I will put this in my albino full red breeding tank. So I will add this guppy grass. So guppy grass is also good for breeding guppies. It provides a hiding spot for your guppy fry. So I have 2 aquatic plants, water lettuce and guppy grass. So this will also provide hiding spot. Okay, and this also will provide a hiding spot for the guppy fry. I am feeding this albino full red 2 times a day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. So let's feed them. This fish food is called PO1, and this is very good in breeding guppies, also for the guppy fry. This is called PO1. Let's cover, and hopefully I will be able to breed this albino full red in this 10-gallon tub. So that's all for today, guys, and if you want to learn more about guppy breeding, guppy keeping, how to grow your guppy fry, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to be notified for my new video. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video.